Welcome to LabVIEW Advantage. We are continuing with the Certified LabVIEW Developer Recertification Sample Questions and Answers videos. Please pause the video if necessary and scroll if necessary, then resume. Let's begin. The question says, which of the following functions or structures execute normally when you pass an error cluster with a true value for the status element to the error in terminal of the structure or function? So here we're looking for the function that is not going to bypass the error. If you look from the top, time loop is going to bypass the error, it's not going to execute. Similarly, write to text file will also bypass the error, and similarly option C is also going to bypass the error. But the option D, close file, is going to execute whenever the error occurs in the error cluster var. So the answer is going to be D. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.